Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we provide helpful tips and tutorials for automotive enthusiasts. In this video, we will guide you through the process of resetting the oil change required light on a Jeep Cherokee. It's important to reset this light after an oil change to ensure accurate maintenance reminders. Let's get started. Method 1. The fastest way to reset oil life and is usually used for all Jeep models is by stepping on the gas pedal 3 times slowly within 10 seconds after turning the ignition to the run position. So let me guide you through the procedure. Step 1. Turn your car to the run position. Put the key in and you turn it to the position 2. If you have a vehicle with start/stop button, make sure your foot is off the brake and go ahead with pressing the start button twice. Step 2. Depress the gas pedal 3 times. Put your foot on the accelerator pedal and press it down slowly to the floor 3 times within 10 seconds. Step 3. Restart the car. Finally, turn the ignition off and start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If the indicator message still illuminates when you start the car, the oil change indicator system did not reset, and you will need to repeat this procedure. Method 2. This second method uses the system that is in your vehicle. So if you have a Jeep model year 2014 or later, is also possible to use this procedure. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. First, put your car in the run position without starting the engine. If your vehicle has an ignition button, press the start button 2 times without pressing the brake and let the screen start up. This will activate the vehicle's electrical system. Step 2. Navigate to the vehicle information menu. On the cluster display of your Jeep, locate the vehicle information menu. Press the up and down arrows on the steering wheel to access the menu. Step 3. Scroll to the oil life menu. After that, scroll to the right or left by using the directional pad until you get the oil life. Step 4. Hold down the OK button. Once you've highlighted the oil life option, press and hold the OK button on the steering wheel for a few seconds. This action will reset the oil life to 100%. Step 5. Restart your car. Finally, turn the ignition off and start your car to verify the light is reset. The light should no longer be illuminated, indicating that the reset was successful. Congratulations! You have successfully reset the oil change required light on your Jeep Cherokee. It's crucial to perform this reset after each oil change to maintain accurate service reminders. Remember, regular oil changes are essential for the health and longevity of your vehicle's engine. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other automotive-related questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Drive safely, and thank you for watching.